How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Hbar, understanding what's happening, and of course what we could be expecting as we are going into Monday morning. I know there's a lot of excitement, around Hbar recently. The price has been holding really nicely compared to, a lot of other coins. And the most exciting part, of course, is the fact that, we actually saw a new yearly high just 2 days back for Hbar, which is really exciting. So, if you're excited about that, don't underestimate that because your excitement is being felt across the board. Hbar is trending on Twitter as well. But looking across the board right now, we're seeing the broader market going in green, which is amazing to see. Like, as you can see, literally everything seems to be up right now. Hbar though is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, and I know a lot of people are going to be confused at this, because the broader market is going up, but yet you're seeing Hbar down a little bit. I'm going to get into a little bit more detail and share my personal opinion as to what's really happening. But Hbar's price is at 28.6 cents, down about 1.4% in USD. Also down about 1.7% in Bitcoin. Comparative valuation still holding above 12 billion to be exact, $12.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 658 million. Right off the bat, we could see that this has been lower than yesterday. And this is the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis because we could really see what has changed. And what honestly has changed is the trading volume. It has decreased, but the price is still holding, pretty much stagnant, which is nice to see. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you guys can see this for yourself. We're seeing the dominance continuing to pull down. We actually went below 61%. And as you can see, we're entering Monday morning on a really positive note, currently sitting at 60.79% as we're recording this update. But what's even more exciting is the fact that Bitcoin has broken out and retested $119,852 just a few hours back. Of course, we kind of got rejected at that range, but Bitcoin is picking up steam while dominance is continuing to fall. This is going to be a good sign for altcoins, and we can clearly see that across the board. A lot of double-digit gainers across the crypto market. So that's amazing to see. Obviously, FOMC week coming ahead. I do expect a little bit of volatility, within the market, but I do also believe, due to the EU, the deal that there was made in terms of the tariffs. Also, the China and the U.S. pausing the tariffs. I think that's a positive news, and I think market is also reacting to that specific thing. So, but I do still expect a little bit of choppy levels going into the FOMC meeting, and I'm just basing it off of what I've seen in the past. But so far, so good, like what I'm seeing here. But if you're looking at Hbar, let's give it a refresh live and see what's happening. So Hbar's price, what's really, really amazing to see right now, what a lot of people will forget is the fact that we're still in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. And what I mean by that is the price is being supported by that range. And what's really bullish about this is because, of course, this has been a major resistance for us for quite some time, obviously dating back to 2021 levels. And this time around, of course, we were having a hard time breaking out of this, key resistance. But this time around, look where the price is being supported, right at that key resistance, which is now playing as a nice level of support. So I'm really, really impressed with the way Hbar is holding. And what's the most impressive part is the fact that we did see that wick up to 30.6 cents, which was a new monthly high. And I am projecting the price to start heading towards our, yearly highs that we set for ourselves at the beginning of the year. And I do personally believe that is going to happen with the way dominance is falling. And, Hbar has already shown strength, and it's already still showing strength regardless of the volume decreasing. We need to keep in mind we are in a weekend. On the weekends, we do tend to see that happening, but look at it for yourself. On the hourly, this pretty much sums it up. You can see how nicely we've been consolidating above the 0.50 fib retracement, which of course is amazing to see. So I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Of course, if you want to put this into perspective in terms of a retracement aspect, we're only seeing about a 6.37% pullback, a healthy correction, to be honest, considering, we were literally just on July 24th at 23 cents, and we did see an increase of about 31.41% in just the last 3 to 4 days. And after that, a 6% retracement is really normal. And the fact that, we are pretty much consolidating close to our monthly high, this is what you want to see in terms of an upwards trajectory. If you're taking a look at it, even on the hourly time frame, we are in this upwards trend. So I am targeting new yearly highs, but you want to see the price hold within the 0.50. But I like what I'm seeing here. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thank you for your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.